So listen, we're gonna do the ultimate test.
Yep.
Because everybody who's ever played a Kronos knows
18 minutes. It takes 18 minutes to turn on.
Years to turn on.
I turned mine on before I left for Namm. It's probably just now coming back on.
It'll be on when you get back.
It'll be on when I get back. So let's see.
We're gonna do it.
We're gonna see that they actually fix it.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fading off. It's
fading out to turn off.
Go off. All right. Okay.
It's off.
All right. So it takes a little minute to go off. That's
So
I'll get maybe 10 seconds to get off.
Oh, going off ain't no problem. Going on is where it is. Okay, 1 Mississippi. Let's see. We'll put the clock up on the screen. Make sure you get it under.
1,000. Come on, buddy.
I know, right? Keep it right there. Let's see. You gotta stay on that.
All right. It started climbing fast.
Okay.
It felt like it was going.
Okay. All right.
We got faith in you.
Come
I
on.
think I can.
All
Okay,
right.
it's not terrible. It's not terrible, but
That was about 2 minutes. I don't know. We'll put the clock up on there to see exactly how long it was.
I would give it maybe 45 seconds.
You think that was 45?
Maybe a minute.
You say 40 seconds? Cameraman says 40 seconds. Yo, guys, so we're here at Korg. We're going to be talking about this new Korg Kronos 3. I got my man, Luciano.
There it is.
Did I say it right?
Yeah, you got it,
Luciano. And he's going to tell us about what's new with the Korg Kronos 3 and if you should spend your hard-earned dollars on it. So what you got with
Let's
me,
go
man?
through the top things. So first of all, we heard from everyone saying they want Kronos back.
Yeah.
Since it left, it was like, when is Kronos coming back?
Yeah.
So we heard that and we listened. We're
Yeah.
bringing it back
Bringing
as
it back.
refined with some key improvements. So let's just go through that.
What's the improvements?
First thing, let's just look at it. You can see a whole new finished design here
Yep.
with new wood side
I like
panels.
that.
And it's actually a nice design choice. You see they have a little cutout here, which gives you a nice, easy way to pick it up, which
That's
I think
nice.
is very important.
That's nice.
Now, moving over to the center, I think one of the most functional improvements.
Yeah.
If you've clicked around this board, you're gonna notice it's much more responsive.
Much faster, yeah.
And the display has changed. So you get two improvements. You get better viewing angles.
Yeah, it looks like I got more information. Like it talks about the electric piano and talks about...
And it's got
all of that.
anti-glare coating now. So you
the matte finish.
Matte finish, exactly. So
That's
it gives
nice.
you like easier viewing angles and much more responsive, as you're going through the system.
Okay.
Now, anybody who's had existing Kronos, the boot time was long. It was like
Terrible. I'm still waiting on mine.
You're still waiting for it to boot. So what we did, we have a whole new board inside now, and it boots in under 50 seconds. So it's about
Under
48,
50.
49 seconds.
Yeah, okay.
We was accurate.
We was accurate.
So everybody keeps saying like boot time, boot time, boot time.
Yeah.
So we managed to do that, and that's a result of a whole new motherboard and whole new chip.
Got it.
So those are like really big improvements, and this doesn't run with a system fan. So what does that mean for you all using it? It just means more reliability, less likely of things to fail, and keep this thing from going down. Now, finally, compatibility.
Okay.
It's all backwards compatible with the existing Kronos files. So if you have PCG files, your Kronos 2, you can
just
load
them
them right
there.
into the Kronos
Same
3.
if you have like a Nautilus as well.
So Nautilus compatibility is different. So we're keeping everything within Kronos. It's going to be Kronos to Kronos, no problem.
Yeah.
And we've added any new sounds, so we have a couple hundred new sounds at the end of the banks. So it's not going to interfere with anything that you might have from your sounds.
Got it.
And I think the best part, you said about the money, right?
Yeah.
It was hard to do it because inflation, everything goes up.
Yeah.
But we're reintroducing Kronos at the same price that it was almost 4 years ago. So starting at $29.99, which is they're going to be the cheapest flagship workstation on the market in the United States right now. To have all this power.
Yeah.
Same things that you love about it are SK action in the 61.
Yeah.
And we got our RH3 hammer action in the 73 and the 88 here. Okay. Starting to ship probably in May.
In May.
Yeah. And for existing Kronos users, we are going to give a free update probably later in the year.
Yeah.
Any sounds, the new ones that we have in this, we're going to offer those as well for all existing Kronos users.
Got it.
That'll be a free download for everyone.
But it's not going to make them faster.
It's not going to make it faster. It's not going to make it faster.
But you get new sounds.
And people have been asking us, are the parts compatible? Like, what's the deal with that? It has all new internals, so they're not compatible into the Kronos 2. But look, it's great to have an option now. Everyone whose boards, we're getting older, people using them on tour.
Exactly.
We now have a faster, more reliable option available.
Love it,
So
love
the
it,
refined
love it.
Kronos, yeah.
Love it. So same shell,
Yep.
new guts,
Exactly.
same price,
Exactly.
new sounds,
Yes. Yeah.
better boot time.
Less than
Okay.
half the time of the boot.
I love it.
That's something we're really happy about.
Okay.
All right,
love
and
it.
Nautilus is still going to be in the lineup.
Yeah.
It's just a cheaper option that gives you the same 9 engines, just in a more streamlined, less of the hands-on control. So we're kind of keeping it like that now.
So basically, the Nautilus becomes like almost like the
Pro.
Mo series that like for the Yamahas and like how those are, kind of like the base level like that. Like, so is it going to replace the Chrome series?
Yeah, so Chrome actually was in its final production run.
Got it.
The final units are going to go out probably in the next month or so.
Got it.
And then after that, it's done completely.
Makes sense.
So Nautilus will step into the Chrome position.
Makes sense.
And then below Nautilus, we have the Cross.
Got it.
So that's our entry level. You know.
There you go.
Yeah. So I think it's a really nice complete lineup. And again, we heard the feedback. Kronos was missed.
Yep.
And we wanted to get it back as soon as possible with key refinements. So
makes sense.
Yeah.
Well, we appreciate you guys taking it and hearing us.
I appreciate
and
it.
listening to the people. So you guys go check out the Korg Kronos. We're out here at NOR 2025. If you're out here, come check them out. And then otherwise, you're going to be looking to get it in May.
May should be start shipping. Yep.
May start shipping. So make sure you guys go to Korg. We'll put the links, all that stuff down in the description. We out. Holla at your boy.